Hello, filming this video for you, Kai, because Instagram is not working right. Yes, I did dye my hair. I did it like yesterday, and there's actually like this little, wait, where is it? Yeah, right here. There's a little blonde streak in it, which is real fun. It reminds me kind of like Ronald McDonald's hair. Always a win. And, so like, I already opened the box because I got it and I was so excited. I was just like, gonna tear it open with my knife. And anyways, but I didn't look at anything besides the dill chips that I pulled out on the video yet, which I'm happy about because I love dill. I have eaten, like, I'm obsessed with pickles, kind of. I used to ride my bike and just, like, munch on pickles while I was doing it. I'd have a pickle in one hand while I'm riding the bike, just eating it. I'm a fan of dill, so I'm excited to try these. Thank you. Alrighty, now onto the new stuff that I have not seen yet. Bread snack with garlic? Oh my goodness. They look like, my mind went immediately to Scooby snacks. Like, do you have those in Latvia where it's like, they're in these little tiny bags and they've got Scooby-Doo on the front and like, they're like these little cinnamon graham cracker things. I doubt these taste like cinnamon graham crackers, but they look kind of like it. I can't smell it. I'm excited. Thank you. Bread and garlic are two of my favorite things. Oh my god. Cheese and bacon flavor? Is it like ramen? Instant noodles. Wow. That's interesting. I never would have thought to combine those two things before. I love the little pig, like, eating cheese. He looks like he's having a good time. I want to be friends with him. Wow, I'm excited for that. Thank you. Cheese and bacon. Do you, like, recommend putting actual bacon in it or something, like, to enhance the flavor? Because I could try that. I've got, like, this many bacon bits. It's kind of crazy. Sarkana Magone? Feel free to roast me on my pronunciation, because I have no idea. What is that? Is it like chocolate? Or a taffy? It feels like taffy. Excited to try. Oh my goodness. I wonder if these melted in the mail. They look like suckers of some sort. I mean, if they did melt, I'm sure they'll taste the same, right? I keep trying to read it, and I'm like, wait, no, I don't know Latvian. They're cute. They look like they were hearts or something before. Excited. I hope I can open it, alright? Oh, there's more of these little taffy things. I didn't look. Hold on, is there another one? Oh no, there's this one. It looks like a cough drop. I assume it's a cough drop. I just brushed my teeth. Would it be a bad idea to, like, eat this right now? I don't want to... Here, I'll eat one of the ones that, like, I don't have to worry about, like, this is the only one I'll ever get because you gave me 4 of them. And I'll tell you what I think about it. Oh wait, there's 4 of those in there too. Never mind, I'll close this one back up and eat one of the cough drops. Excited. Maybe it's not a cough drop. Maybe I should expect this to taste like, it smells sweet. Mm. Oh wow. What is that flavor? That's like really familiar. It's good. It is good. Thank you. Oh. A little Latvia pin. Oh my god, did you know I have a pin collection? Hold on, come on. I'll show you my pin collection because I love pins. Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh. Alright, flip it. I'll just do this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Thank you. Thank you. Latvia. I love that. And you gave me all these letters and a book. Oh no. I think that the sucker's like melted on it. I'll clean it. It like melted, but oh my god. The insides of the books is fine. It's fine. Is this like a learn to speak? Ooh. Thank you. I'm gonna have to like call you and ask you how to pronounce half of this stuff, but I will read it. I'll keep it by my bed and read like 1 page a day. Also, this candy is really good. Thank you. Chocolate candy with rock candy inside. Oh, is that what these are? Did it melt off? I'm not sure. And there's one more in here. Oh, it's the sugar lollipops. Okay. It got stuck on the book, but it's all good now. Sugar lollipops. There they go. Same rock candy that's inside the other one, but without the chocolate. Is that what I'm eating right now? And I like don't know what's going on. Is it like inside? I don't know. I'm like just sucking on it. Is that what? It's pretty good. Oh man. Hold on. Instructions for the ramen. That's helpful. I was probably gonna do that wrong. Concoction. Thank you. And the note. I feel like it's my birthday. Like I like need to just sit here and read this. Like, should I read it out loud? I'll read it out loud and like respond to it, right? Yeah? Okay. Hey Cannon. Hey Kai. I'm glad my exams are finally over so I can send you my package. Thank you for agreeing to this in the first place. Heart. You're welcome. I'm really excited for you to get my package. It's really fun. Like, I work at a candy store, so I was like, oh my god, I have to send Kai all of this. Yes, it's very fun. I really hope you like yours when you get it. In this package, although not much, I filled with my favorite snacks, candies, and something for you to learn. From a book, because, yay summer, right? LOL. Yes. Yay summer. I'm really excited for this book, actually. I've got so many language books. Most of them are for Japanese, but I love languages a lot. And, God, I'm really excited for these. Thank you. I wanted you to try these snacks first because 1, they're my favorite, and 2, they are classic Latvian flavors. So, what is this flavor then? Please tell me. It's good. And I kind of recognize it, but I can't figure out what it is. Is it like a strawberry or something? I can't tell. It's good. I hope we do this again sometime. Love, Kai. P.S. Sorry for bad handwriting. It's not bad handwriting because I can read it. And I have a really hard time with handwriting. So it's good. It's good. And I do hope we do this again. I really hope that you like the one I sent. And dude, we could like do a letter exchange or something. That would be super awesome. And oh my god, yes. Thank you so much. It's such a fun haul. I'm excited. You gotta do the same thing, like film a video or something when you get yours, okay? Much love. Ooh.